Hello everyone, welcome to Tax Adhyayan. In this video, we will see what are the 5 important documents for GST registration. First, we will see what is the threshold limit for registration. The registration under GST is mandatory for those business entities based on the criteria of turnover and activities. The businesses dealing in goods and those providing services have to mandatorily apply for GST registration if their aggregate turnover for the financial year exceeds 40 lakh rupees and 20 lakh rupees. 40 lakh rupees is for goods and 20 lakh is for services. However, for businesses making supplies and providing services in northeastern states, the same is 20 lakh rupees for goods and 10 lakh rupees for services. Owing to its benefits, many dealers also obtain voluntary registrations under GST. You may think that what is the benefit of GST registration? Firstly, you will be legally recognized as supplier under GST regime. You can avail input tax credit. You can enjoy the benefit of lower cost of goods as you can avail the credit for the goods purchased, and you can pass on the credit, and you can do import and export of goods, and you can also avail the benefit of foreign trade policy. Now we will see what are the 5 important documents to keep in hand before starting GST registration. The very first document is PAN card, Permanent Account Number card. For companies, PAN card of the company and directors. For proprietorship, PAN card of the owner. And for partnership firm, PAN card of the firm and partners. And for trust, PAN card of the trust and the trustees. The very next important document is Aadhaar card. For companies, Aadhaar card of director. For proprietorship, Aadhaar card of the proprietor. And for partnership firm, Aadhaar card of the partners. And for trust, Aadhaar card of the trustees are mandatory. Before submitting the application of GST registration, the authorized signatory should make the Aadhaar authentication. The link to make the Aadhaar authentication will go to the registered mobile number and mail ID of the authorized person. The next important document is address proof. The applicant has to upload rent agreement or lease agreement, electricity bill, and no objection certificate if required. The next important document is cancelled check or bank statement. For the bank details provided in the GST registration application, we have to provide and upload the cancelled check or first page of bank statement as a reference for the details provided. The fifth important document is passport size photo. The applicant has to provide, if it is a company, the passport size photos of directors. For proprietorship concern, the photo of proprietor. For partnership firm, the photo of the partners. And of trust, the passport size photo of trustees are mandatory. These are the 5 important documents to keep ready before starting the GST registration. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, watch our channel Tax Adhyayan and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.